the Great Blizzard of 2010, round 2, from my bedroom window. People out trying to do something about the snow, but man, it is amazing out here. Jack seems unconcerned about the weather. Wednesday, February 10th at 11:55 a.m. Jack, not being very sociable, begging people not to go out in this blizzard number 2 of 2010, but Jack and I can't help ourselves. We got to go out for just a little bit. I do have 4-wheel drive, yes, by the way, if anybody's wondering. Man, I've never seen anything quite like this before. I thought the last blizzard was bad, but it was nothing compared to this one. Condo complex right here. Clouds have been out. I only can't even do a donut, there's so much snow. These cars are pretty well not going anywhere for a while. Say something.
Duh.
Say something else.
It's Hardy.
Come on. Hey, look this way. What? Look at all this. Billy's got some work to do to dig that puppy out. As does the person next to him. Ugly street. Can't see anything. Nothing. Literally. There we go. Amazing. My condo from the outside.
But the combined week that we've had here with 2 blizzards now, but it is something that really is unprecedented for the Mid-Atlantic states and certainly Washington.
All right, the totals now here in Washington, we've had up to 10 inches of new snow here, up and around Annapolis and in Anne Arundel County, they've had almost a foot. All these counties in red are under the blizzard warning. It's all of Maryland, this Northern Virginia and Panhandle, West Virginia, but really most of the snow from this storm has fallen from this February yet, and this is almost now the record snowiest season we've ever had, and we still have, we can get big storms in March yet, so unfortunately, we are not out of the pattern yet.